Hello guys, it's Fresh Potato with you again, and today I'm with my wife and our dog again. We're in the same place as we've been not a long time ago. There's a school over there, if you remember, and my wife found a coin, first coin, and we just
not even in the ground.
Yeah, we just cleared this place out and saw it right away. So it's 1 cent of Lithuania.
Nothing special.
Of course, nothing special. It's 1991, if you're wondering, but it's snap. It's the first coin of today, so maybe we'll.
I think our dog found something.
Yeah. What do you found? 1-0. My wife wins for now. We'll see. Found a switch. Yeah, guys, I don't really know what is this. We're just guessing with my wife. What can it possibly be? There's a basketball place out there. Well, guys, I thought I will never find a coin today. Yeah, I have a coin. It's a really small coin. So let's check it out. 1 kopic. You can see it. Well, at least it's a coin because I'm tired of just finding junk. 1 kopic, Soviet Union, 1987. Okay. Okay, guys, it's another coin. Real small one again. I think it's 1 kopic. Yep. What else can it be? 1 kopic. Soviet Union. Let's see. 1988. Okay. Walking in the same place. So our dog found the coin. My wife found the coin, and I see it's the Soviet coin. Yeah, but it's older one, older design. 5 kopics. Wow, amazing.
It's in good condition.
Yeah, because it's aluminum bronze. They are always in a good condition. So look at that, so beautiful.
1946.
1946, 5 kopics of Soviet Union. Amazing, so beautiful. Looks like a gold, I mean.
Looks like a coin.
Yeah, beautiful.
Nothing more.
Another coin, like right away. So my wife on fire today. Look at this. Oh, 10 cents. Do you remember those coins? Yeah. Okay. So it's 1998. I'm sorry, 1998. 10 cents of Lithuania. Okay. Just dig, and I like right away, instantly saw a coin, and it's another wife's find.
Yeah.
Well, it's Soviet Union.
I should have searched for that stuff all along.
Yeah. Whoa! It's Soviet Union, and it's 10 kopics of 1957. Look at this. It's
and
like
again, the condition is
yeah,
okay.
its condition is okay, and it's older design. It's another coin, but it's my find now. Where is it? Here. Small coin.
1 kopic?
Yep, 1 kopic. 1 kopic, Soviet Union, 1971. There we go. So it's similar signal. So
Right.
the moment of the truth, and it's a trash.
Congratulations. Get that. So I got a signal, and this man right here, he told me not to dig it because it's gonna be trash.
And she eats poop.
And it's a coin.
Yep. 20 cents of Lithuania. Older design. 1991.
So who do you think is the winner of today's hunt?
I think it's Milka.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's all the signals.
Yeah. Okay, check it. Nice.
It's here. Shall we?
It's a coin.
It's another coin.
10 cents of Lithuania. Okay. There we go. It's 1997. The most common one of Lithuanian 10 cents.
I think you're tired. You cannot even open the can now.
Not a box.
It's a tin can.
Okay. Can you see it? It's right here. You can see it's a Soviet coin. There we go. 2 copies. 1982. Guys, I definitely just had to come here right away because look, here I digged 2 copies and there is a signal. I can see another coin. Yep. Soviet Union. 2 copies of Soviet Union. So it's 1967. A little bit older, this one. Okay, I think there's a lot of coins here. I think it's maybe from the sweater. Some kind of clothing. Lauda, it says. So I'm just going now to the car because we going home now. Dig out another coin. Let's see. 10 cents for Lithuania. Okay. $19.99. 10 cents of Lithuania. Okay. So okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So alright guys, we have this much. So let's see how many coins we have today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 coins today guys. We have one older designed Lithuanian 20 cents. We have Lithuanian 4 coins, Soviet Union and the Soviet Union but it's older designs. And we have this few interesting stuff. And this one it says Lauda, and I thought it's from like 2000s, but I saw another side and it says 21 Kopek, so it means that it's from Soviet Union, but I still don't know what is this. That's it for today. So okay guys, it's the last day in the village because from the second episode and from till now I've been in the village and I was searching with metal detector only in the village because I was here in the village while the quarantine of coronavirus now. So I've been here in the village maybe a month, but I want to show how many finds we have from the village while we've been in the village. So isn't it beautiful? How many finds we have. It's not all of the finds, but it's the best finds. It's pretty good. Remember this? I kept it. It reminds me of childhood. Yeah, we have pretty good stuff. We have a lot of really good finds, you know? Yeah. So best of the coins I got in this place, it's this coin. It's a Russian Imperial coin. I hope you're doing fine. Subscribe if you want more, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.